Are you wondering how you should make your cover letter? We are here to help you out. While making your cover letter, you must include these 4 points. The first one being, you must tell them, the companies, why are you particularly interested in them. Mention at least 2 to 3 examples of what you like most about the company. And before you write the second point, you must read the job description carefully and gather the keywords which will help you to write it. Now, how do we write the second point? In second point, you must include what course you are studying, what skills you have gained and mastered during the course, and if you have work experience, you must choose a couple of incidences where you have actually solved some problem which the company had faced, and you should elaborate a short story on how you did it. And you should emphasize on how your skills and experiences can help the company you are applying for. And while writing the third point, you must emphasize on your soft skills, how you have tackled the diversity in your group. Because nowadays, most companies look for is soft skills. So you should definitely emphasize more on it. If you have, give some more examples regarding it. And lastly, you should end the cover letter by writing this. There is another innovative way of writing a cover letter in the world of ChatGPT, where CVs, cover letters can be generated in 30 seconds. The best way is to defy the system and write the cover letter on your own. You may have to do some work, but trust me, it's worth it. Now, how to do that? Go to the job description. If you have, go to the hiring manager's name, connect them over LinkedIn, talk to them about the opportunity, and tell them how your experience can help the company. And use all of those to write the cover letter. Let me explain how. From the communication you had with the person, by taking their name as the reference, you should write the cover letter. And you should start the cover letter by writing the question, as in how you can solve or help the company with your skills. And you should give reference to the person's name and tell them how you talk with that person has motivated you to apply to the company, what skills you are bringing to the table, and how your past experiences can be a reference of your work. And thirdly, how you would be the best fit for the company in terms of technical knowledge, in terms of team management, in terms of your soft skills. So this is how your cover letter should look like as per the first case. And this is how your cover letter looks like in the second case. So follow these recommendations. I'm sure this will help you to crack more interviews. All the best.